Bella, ciao, ciao, ciao. 32 counts, 2 walls, improvement level. Weight on the left. Section 1, right foot. Toe, heel, stomp forward. Left coaster step. 2 walk, right, left. Section 2, 3 samba step. Right samba, left samba. Right samba with clap to the right. Clap above head. Quarter recover to left and clap forward. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Section 3, now facing 9 o'clock. Right shuffle forward, left rock recover, left shuffle back. 2 back, right, left. Section 4, right foot, back, together. Forward right, pivot quarter, now facing 6. Modified jazz box, cross, back, big step to the right with slide over 3 counts. Stomp together. And start again. Count section 3 and 4. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 8 counts after wall 2, facing 12 o'clock. Cross right over. Full unwind over left shoulder, over 3 counts. Full unwind over right shoulder, over 3 counts. You can keep the weight on the left and start the dance again on right. You can also step left together on the last count and clap. Count tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will repeat the same tag after wall 5, facing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full dance count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back wall. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will do another 2 full wall, wall 3 and wall 4, and hold 4 counts facing 12. Wall 5, music slow down the steps. Last wall finish facing 6, cross right over, unwind half turn, back to 12, end of the dance.